Let A be the position of the kite and A be perpendicular to the ground, where B is a point on the ground. AC equal to y meters be the string. Let BC equal to x meters. Given AB equal to 3 meters, so using Pythagorean theorem, we will find x when y equal to 5 meters. X by dt is given to be 200 centimeter per second. We change that to meter per second. So dx by dt equal to 2 meter per second. Using Pythagoras theorem, y square equal to x square plus 3 square. Differentiate with respect to time. So 2y divided by dt equal to 2x dx by dt. Substitute the known values and solve for dy by dt. So dy by dt equal to 8 by 5 meter per second. Change to centimeter per second if necessary.